So I just wanted to show you guys kung paano natin insert yung spaghetti strap or a strap or any strap sa dress with closed seam. So if you have a client who wanted to have a strap, so isa ito sa mga method. First step is to measure the strap length. Yung strap length will be the side measurement plus sewing allowance. So we have an example here, 16 inches with width 1 inch. So the strap is made of bias cut. So I have a detailed tutorial on how to make your spaghetti strap or rouleau. So ito yung strap natin. So 1 inch yung width nito, and then I'm using a high-speed needle, and then insert mo lang through the tunnel yung opposite side ng ating sewing needle, and then turn inside out. Since naka-bias cut ito, may konting stretch yung strap natin para hindi ganun kahigpit sa may shoulder part. So 16 inches yung length natin. Mag-cut tayo ng dalawa. And then mark the sewing allowance. So yung sewing allowance natin is 1/4. Next is to seam rip yung sa may princess cut or dun sa princess seam. So gagawa lang tayo ng small slit or slit dun sa part na yan, and then insert mo lang using your seam ripper. Double thread yung gagamitin natin, and then yung stitch na ginagawa ko is ladder stitch para hindi ganun ka-exposed yung ating stitches. So, kailangan nakatago pa rin yung stitch. And that's it. So, for the back parts, same procedure. Make a small slit dun sa princess seam. And then, insert mo lang lahat yung sewing allowance, which is 1/4. And then, do the ladder stitch. Ayan. So, that's how I insert my spaghetti strap. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you learned something new from this quick tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So, I hope to see you next time on my next video.